What's up guys, welcome back to the Cody Project. On today's video I wanted to do a how-to and a review from a new product from Exoforma called Ceramic Shield. It's for the do-it-yourselfers that want to put a silica based ceramic coating on your car, boat, SUV, ATV, whatever it might be. It'll protect and shine and give you the look that you want. Well, that's what they claim at least. So let's dig into it and see what we can find out. Okay, so I'm going to give you a quick example how ceramic coating works. On a new vehicle with fresh clear coat, it'll be perfectly smooth, allowing light to evenly reflect off of it and produce an amazing shine. Once exposed to the elements, the unprotected clear coat will get millions of tiny scratches in it from weather, debris, UV damage. This makes the light reflect off of it unevenly, and it gives you a bad shine. But basically, with a ceramic coating, it will fill in the tiny scratches with a silica dioxide, making your clear coat smooth again and bring back the amazing shine and protectant you need. The products we're going to use today is going to be the Mother's clay bar system to get rid of all the imperfections before we apply the ceramic coating. And then of course you're going to need your microfiber towels. And the vehicle of choice is going to be the SRT Jeep. Oh yeah. Alright, so the only reason I'm going to clay bar my car is because it has a bunch of imperfections in the paint, and I want to start off with a nice base coat before I apply this ceramic coating. So what you want to do is you want to do the Baggie Test. You get a bag from your kitchen, whatever, sandwich bag works, and you rub your paint with it. If you can feel any bumps, scratches, anything, then you need to clay bar your car first. Basically, it just gives you a nice base to build up on when you add the ceramic coating. It'll last longer, it won't have any dirt or grime underneath the ceramic coating, and it'll just be a better overall finish. Alright, so if you never did a clay bar system, Mother's is a good choice, along with a lot of others. There's thousands of reviews on YouTube about it. But basically what you do is you lube up the area that you're going to do. Lube it up. You can use the regular clay bars, or you can use this new 2.0. Just makes it faster. It all goes inside those grooves, catches all the dirt and grime, and gives you a nice clean base. But all you'll do, just go over the affected area, keep it lubed up, getting all the crevices, and just keep doing it until you feel it smooth. You'll feel that stuff just come right off. Gets it down deep. And after complete, get the microfiber towel, wipe off the area that you just clay barred, and boom, voila. Start with a nice clean base. Pretty awesome. Look at that shine already. Pretty awesome. Then of course, you would do the Baggie Test. Feels smooth as a baby's butt. If it doesn't, then just keep repeating the process. You'll get a good base coat. But alright, I'm going to do the whole car. I'm going to fast forward it. Then we'll continue to the ceramic coating. Alright, so I got rained out last night when I was doing the clay blocking, but I got to finish it. But I wanted to let you know what it looked like after I was done. Even got the wheels. Oh yeah, came out pretty good. Got all the imperfections out. So now we can start with the ceramic coating. Alright, so basically I'm just going to show you a couple panels with the ceramic shield. I mean, honestly, it's pretty easy. You just spray in the area you want to do. Get your blue cloth, rub it in, circular motion. Once it's rubbed in that area, then you get the dry cloth. Get off the top coat. Then you just keep on doing that. I do notice though, splashes a lot. So maybe you can not pull as hard on it, make your stream less or something, but I noticed it splashes on all the parts you already did. I don't know, they might need a different mist or something, mist tip on the spray bottle. Get rid of that problem, but for now, we're just gonna roll with it. I mean, it's pretty simple. That clay bar was honestly the hardest part, but wanted to give it the best chance. Just making sure I got all that residue off. Got a little bit up on this part I already did. You can kind of notice too when you don't get that residue off. It's like a little film on top. Alright, and I just noticed on there, they actually do have different spray heads for different streams, so you can do a finer mist, it looks like. Let's see what the finer mist looks like. Oh yeah, oh my god. Wish I would have seen that earlier, but heck, live and learn. That's what a review's all about. Oh yeah, the finer mist was a lot better. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and speed the process up and finish the car out, show you the end result. Alright guys, so we used the Exoforma ceramic coating. We used the Mother's 2.0 clay bar system to get rid of all the imperfections. And this is how it turned out. Alright guys, so after 24 hours, I wanted to show you the final result of what it looked like. Alright, so basically, I'm going to give the product a pretty good review, even though I haven't waited to see if it's going to last as long as it said it was. But you know what, I might just have to do another video to show how long it actually lasted. But from now on, I'll roll with it. Honestly, the hardest part was the clay bar system. Other than that, now all you gotta do is spray on and wipe off, and you should keep building layers up, and eventually you'll have a thick layer of the silica coating. Alright, so I only ended up using a quarter of the bottle. That was to do one coat on the car, just so you guys know. Alright guys, I just wanted to say thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell if you want to follow, and I'll be posting some more videos. Thanks again.